Is Mullen back?
Let's see what's going on. Remember to read the disclaimer right here. First of all, also in the description below, we have some breaking news related with Mullen. Also, the price action, as you can see right there, is completely crazy. We're going to talk about it just right now. First of all, remember to subscribe. Welcome to Trading HT. Mullen Automotive, one of our favorite stocks because we have been analyzing it for years now. Let's see what's going on. Alvaro, what can you tell us about this?
4 years. I mean, that's a lot of time analyzing one stock. Look at that. It's experiencing an incredible upturn. Look at the volume candles right here. Remember, we are not analyzing from a standard candlestick chart, but also we are analyzing the volume profile within the candles. Very interesting in that. So look at that. We have the downtrend of the resistance level here, and then we experience like a huge rebound. We're talking about more than 100%. That's an incredible rally, almost 200%. So absolutely nuts. And the key question here is, will this upturn continue?
Yeah, that's a very good question. We have a key moment right now because, as Alvaro mentioned, this breakout has already happened of this resistance level. We can clearly see that right there in the green circle. But what we don't know if this will continue going higher. At least it broke also this level right here, and that was trading in the past as acting as a support level and then as a resistance. But we are inside of it. Maybe this was just a false breakout and the price will continue to go lower from here. Or maybe we see this kind of retest happening and the price going higher. It's a key moment right now. Plus 15%, plus 16%. Wow, the movement is crazy right now. Volatility is huge. So take care, guys. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below your opinions and the reasons behind it. Up or down, let us know below.
Yeah, let's activate the extended trade hours because right now we need like more focus in what's happening the last couple of days. And look at that, we clearly we can draw a line right here of the last upturn. Absolutely nuts. It's difficult to tell when it's gonna end, but obviously with a lot of volume, as long as we have this a lot of this incredible spike in volume, it's good. But then if it starts to go down like the one that we experienced back, let's see right here in December 2023. Look at that. We saw that breakout right here below $14, and then the volume started to go down and the stock started to plummet. So if that happens again, you need to consider that scenario, because in this stock, it happened many times. You can clearly see again and again and again spikes in volume activity, and then the stock going up, and then it reverses afterwards.
Yeah, exactly. We can't predict the future. We can just analyze what happened in the past and from there, as traders, learn from that experience. And in this case, what side are you positioned and what's your trading plan in case that the thing of that bearish movement happens, because if you're prepared for the bullish side, that's nice. But if it doesn't happen, what is your movement right there? As traders, you have to be prepared. We have to be prepared always. As usually we tell trading in the zone, we don't know what the market is going to do next, but we know what we are going to do next, and that's everything that matters right here. Very interesting. Let's talk about the fundamental side right now. We have some breaking news right here. Alvaro is going to talk about them.
Yeah, actually, look at what happened, because maybe this is one explanation when the stock is right now experiencing like a huge upturn. So what happened right here is like it's experiencing an increase. First of all, because the company received an approval from California for the state's hybrid and zero emission truck. I think we're talking about the one of the models that they have actually in the portfolio, and then additionally, MULN announced the completion of the first phase of battery line integration and its high energy facility, showing progress in its operations and future plans. Okay, so this is absolutely good, apparently, but also remember the fundamentals, because this is the news, but the fundamentals behind it, you can clearly see right here. I think this is actually good. I think we didn't analyze it for a while, and the last time I remember it was like in huge losses as well. But look at that. The last quarter, December 2023, is actually very, very good in comparison to the previous ones. We're talking about like the best one in 2 years.
Ah, that's good. Yeah, we don't know what will happen right here because we also have like the number of shares. Some people were talking about it, like there are a lot, or we have also situations with the stock splits that happened in the past. This stock has a lot of is a lot of history. You can check our previous video where we talked about it, or you can just check it on Google or some site, because there is plenty of information about the past of this stock and this downtrend. It didn't occur in 1 month, 2 months. It happened. Let's see in the price action, for instance, from the weekly chart, we can see with more detail. Since 2021, where this last movement to the upside happened, we could say we have been inside this downtrend territory. We are talking about a downside movement. Current prices minus 100%.
Wow.
You can't even see like the percentage. It's like minus 90.99 point something. But the thing is, like, after those stock splits, all that price changes, you can clearly see right here the highest price that we can see in trading views, $335,000. So obviously
Wow.
that's due to that stock split situation. So what do you think also about it? Because it's something to take into account when talking about Mullen stock, because it's part of its story, of the story of the company.
Yeah, I remember what happened with this stock, with these stock splits. They needed money, so they did these stock splits also to make sure that they held in, they were still in Nasdaq, and actually they are. I think this is the last stock split they experienced is the last one. They cannot do it
Mhm.
ever again. But
Yeah,
this
I
this strategy has been working for the last couple of years.
Yeah, I remember that we talked about the situation of the stock split and the Nasdaq situation in the last video that we made, or maybe one of the last. And from there, we didn't analyze it because the price was inside this downtrend that we can see right here. We have, the 1 hour chart, so we can see with more detail. And we were below this line, this resistance level that we had in the logarithmic scale, very clear. But now maybe the situation is different, and we wanted to analyze it with you and to know your opinion also, because the breakout happened here, and it happened with a lot of volume. As you can see, these green candles had a lot of volume behind them, and also we have that fundamental news also. So what do you think? I think it's a very interesting moment. Also in the 1 hour chart, we can see like the breakout here has already happened, but maybe it's a false breakout because the price got rejected. Right here, you can clearly see with that red wick, and the price is trading around that level. Wow, very, very interesting situation. I don't know what will happen from here, but as usual, remember to take care, to take the risk management into consideration with this huge volatility. And also, if you want to have fun, you can check Mullen in Twitter, and you will see plenty of memes. We have been looking for them also. We were talking about this. When you see a lot of memes around a particular stock, be very careful, because when
At
there is a
least.
lot of hype, yeah, when there is a lot of hype, when that hype is over, the situation in the market can completely change. We don't know the future, but what we know is where there is hype, there is volatility and there is danger.
Yeah,
Also opportunity, but the danger is there also.
I remember a lot of, that they usually do that in cryptocurrencies. New cryptos that are in the market. There is a lot of hype right there, memes everywhere, and then when the hype is gone, they start to plummet, and it's insane. You can see like
Yeah,
a minus 95% in just 1 week.
I'm I'm thinking we could make like a meme indicator, and the number of memes that a stock or a crypto or something has per day. If it goes lower, we can see how it affects the price, and the opposite also. It would be very interesting to analyze that.
Oh,
If you know about something like that, please share it with us.
Enrique, do you know the key shortcut of TradingView, Alt plus I, and you do that, and look at that, you have a bullish stock. Okay, so look at
Yeah,
that. You see a stock like this, you think, okay, this is the best stock ever. Like it's going up again and again and again. And when you see that it's going near the support level, it starts to go up. I think it's one of the recommendation I can give you. When you see like a stock in a better territory, like going down, just use this keyword. This key shortcut, because it's very interesting. You can see everything upside down.
yeah, very, very interesting also to take that into account. Some trolls have shared images like that in the past for different stocks in various platforms. So right now, very interesting situation. We have this uptrend right now. Let's see the exact percentage to current prices. We're talking about more than 160%. Let's see how the day ends today. Let's see how this week goes. We can make another video of Mullen if you enjoyed this one. Let us know in the comments below if you want more information about it. We can check our sources of news and all the comments that you share with us, so we have like that extra information, and in the next video we can have a nice debate about this stock. But I find it interesting to talk also to have into account all the past that happened in this stock, because I think it's pure story of the markets. You know, we had a lot of situations from the technical side and also the fundamental. And right now, what is your opinion? What is your prediction, guys? Do you think it will continue going higher, or do you think it will continue going lower as it happened during these last years? Let us know below in the comments. Welcome to Trading HT. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we are ending the video with a replay of what is happening over the last year and today. So the key question here is, will the upturn continue?
Let us know below in the comments. Or also, will the downtrend continue? Because this uptrend is like short term, we could say. In the daily chart, you can see a lot of volume. But don't forget also what happened if you change the monthly or the weekly chart. You can see with more perspective. We don't know the future. We know that we are traders, that we can trade in the zone. We make the decisions. We have everything under control. That's the important thing. Remember to subscribe. Welcome to Honest Traders Trading HD. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice week. Take care. Check our new video.
Bye bye.